Today's weather is sponsored by Expressway Car Wash, Lube, and Deli with 2 locations in Paducah, Kentucky.
Good morning, I'm meteorologist Beau Dodson. It is November 18, 2016, and we've got some rain in the forecast. We need rain. Drought conditions across much of the area. We've been dry for about 2 months now. Now that comes after record rains during the summer, if you can remember back. And now we're in drought. This will be our first widespread rain in weeks. Many areas might pick up 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch. Can't rule out spots receiving more if thunderstorms occur. We take a look at visible satellite this morning and we see clouds as the sun comes up, a band of clouds. Now this is along the cold front that will advance into our area later this morning, into this afternoon, and then this evening over our eastern counties. Rain should begin fairly early this morning in the Poplar Bluff area and then spread eastward through the day. Let's take a look at regional radar. Now we have a snowstorm back here, blizzard warnings for portions of the Dakotas and Minnesota. First real snowstorm of the season up there. We're not going to have any frozen precipitation, but you can see as the cold front moves eastward, you see how it's pulled up some moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and as the front moves into that area, we're seeing showers and storms develop along and right behind the front. Now we do have a small risk for severe weather today. The Storm Prediction Center has outlined our region for a marginal risk. It does not look like a widespread severe weather outbreak, but a couple of those thunderstorms could bring down some gusty winds. Winds aloft are very strong, a lot of wind shear today, but very little in the way of instability. If the Cape numbers, Cape is a measure of energy, if the Cape numbers were higher, I'd be a lot more concerned today. But as is, the Cape numbers are low, so we might have a couple of thunderstorms produce some damaging winds. It's a small risk, but not a zero risk. We take a look at the Little Rock, Arkansas National Weather Service radar, and here's that band of showers and storms. 21,000 lightning strikes over the last hour or two, and we can see those little dots here. Those are lightning. Let me turn off. Let's see if I can turn that off. These are lightning strikes along that line of storms, so we are getting some lightning, probably some brief downpours down here in Arkansas, and you can see everything's moving off to the northeast while the whole band is slowly sliding off to the east. This will move into our area later this morning and then to the rest of the area this afternoon. It will start out in southeast Missouri, then spread into Illinois, West Kentucky, northwest Tennessee. Pennywell area probably still going to have some showers this evening, but I'm thinking most of tonight, Friday night, should remain on the dry side. Let's go ahead and take a look at Futurecast radar. Now this is what radar might look like as the day wears on, and we'll move forward in time and we'll go through this morning. Stop here at about 12 o'clock noon, and you see a band of showers extending from Peoria, Illinois, down into southeast Missouri, and then down into Arkansas. This is your cold front right through here. Right along and behind the front, most of the precipitation will fall. A few thunderstorms ahead of the front, and again, a couple of those storms could produce some gusty winds. We'll need to keep an eye on that. Severe weather risk is small, but not zero. We keep moving forward in time. We'll go into the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock time frame. You see this band of showers and storms moving through our area. Now, the HRRR model shows it as a broken band. We'll see. It looks pretty solid right now on radar, so hopefully it will remain solid because we do need the rain. We'll move through the 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock this evening, and still some showers and storms in our area from Indianapolis down to Evansville, Owensboro, Mayfield, perhaps Paducah, down into western Tennessee. And you see the band still fairly narrow, and it is moving off to the east. We'll move through the 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock tonight. Now, there's some debate about this. This is 10 o'clock, and it's still showing rain over our eastern counties. It might be that the band moves a little bit faster than the HRRR model is showing. We'll keep an eye on it, but keep in mind this evening we probably will still have some showers and storms on our local radar, but perhaps they'll be pushing off to the east and out of our area a little bit sooner than the HRRR model shows. And of course, if the line slows down a little, then the HRRR would be right. Either way, plan on some rain, especially later this morning into this afternoon. And if you're going out to a ball game tonight, you probably want to take a towel with you, dry those bleachers off, perhaps rain jackets. I would recommend you check radar. You can go to weatherobservatory.com and see all of our local radars, interactive city view radars. And then don't forget to sign up for the text messages at www.beaudotsonweather.com. That helps support all of this weather information that you see every day. Have a nice day.